नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल बैंक अचीवर पे। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक अबाउट हाइलाइट्स ऑफ विच इज़ वेरी यूज़फुल फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये वन लाइनर में डिस्कस करेंगे बहुत ही शॉर्ट ब्रीफ में, और ये एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के लिए और इंटरव्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के लिए, दोनों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट। तो इस वीडियो को शेयर जितना हो सके करिएगा और वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहिएगा। हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं बजट हाइलाइट्स। वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस, वन लाइनर है केवल ये एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाला है, चाहे एग्ज़ाम मेंस का हो या चाहे इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन के लिए हो। तो इस वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहिए, ठीक है। पहले तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। देयर इज़ नो चेंज इन इनकम टैक्स स्लैब फॉर 2022 टू 2023। इनकम टैक्स स्लैब सेम है एज इट इज़, जैसा पहले था। सेकेंड पॉइंट है टैक्स रिलीफ टू पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटीज़। Okay, then third is provision to file an updated return on payment of additional tax. Okay, then है virtual digital assets to be taxed at 30%. ठीक है, gift of virtual assets will be taxed at receiver's end. Then tax reduction limit for state government employee contribution to NPS raised to 14% from 10%. Long-term capital gains to be subject to surcharge only at 15% for all assets. Then 8th point is cooperative societies will have to pay only 15% alternate minimum tax. PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan at a cost of rupees 20,000 crore. Then 10th, National Highways network to be expanded by 25,000 km in 2020 to 2023. Then 11th point, National Master Plan on Expressways will be formulated in 2022 to 2023. Then 400 new generation Vande Bharat train to be manufactured in next 3 years. Okay. Then 60 km of ropeway projects are under Parvat Mela project. In metro system multimodal connectivity will be facilitated on priority. Okay, then 1500 Gati Shakti cargo terminals in the next 3 years. Procurement of wheat, paddy, kharif and rabi crops benefiting over 1 crore farmers. 2.37 lakh crore rupees towards direct payment for minimum support price. Then it is chemical free natural farming to be promoted across the country. Then 2022 to be the year of millet support for post harvest value addition for millet products. Using Kisan drones for crop assessment and spraying of pesticides. Ken Betwa River linking project at the cost of 44,000 crore to benefit 9 lakh hectare of farmer land. 68% capital procurement budget earmarked for domestic procurement. Then it is defense R&D to be opened for startups, private industry and academia. 25% of R&D budget to be set up aside for this. Private industry will be encouraged to take up design and development of military platforms and equipment. Then point number 26, National Digital Health Ecosystem to be rolled out. National Tele-Mental Health Program to be set up to focus on mental health. 28 point is 23 Tele-Mental Health Center of Excellence. This need to be established. Benefits to women and children through Mission Shakti, Mission Vatsalya, Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0. 60,000 crore under Har Ghar Nal Se Jal to cover 3.8 crore household in 2022 to 2023. Digital university to be set up and to be made in the different Indian languages. One class, one TV channel with 200 channels to provide supplementary education to all regional languages. Okay, then it is RBI to introduce digital rupee using blockchain technology in 2022 to 2023. Then 34th point is 75 digital banking unit to be set up across 75 districts. E-passport with embedded chip and futuristic technology to be rolled out. Unique land parcel identification number for IT-based management of land records. 19,500 crore for PLI for manufacturing of solar power announced. This is to reach our goal of 280 gigawatt of solar power by 2030. Then 1,500 crore rupees allotted for development initiatives for Northeast. Then the last point is 2,000 km of rail network to be brought under the indigenous world-class technology Kavach for safety and capacity augmentation. So आप इस वीडियो को एक दो बार रिवाइंड करके भी देखिएगा रिवीजन के लिए, बहुत ही यूज़फुल पॉइंट्स थे। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।